Master, ladies and gentlemen, Manager Air Captain Sarah Liu, first officer Alpha, and the rest of the crew wish you warm welcome on flight on 633 bound for Kuala Lumpur. Manager Jaya crew in charge today. This flight will take 4 hours and 45 minutes. For its safety, please ensure electronic devices are switched off, sit in the upper position. Seatbelt safely fastened, table stored, and luggage placed in the big compartment or completely beneath in the seat in front of you. To be careful when jumping the big compartment, smoking is not permitted. Meanwhile, sit back, relax, and enjoy flight. Thank you. Salam mesra terbang Manager Air Captain Sarah Liu, pembantu juruterbang Muhammad Alfa, dan semua anak kapal mengucapkan selamat datang ke penerbangan kami OD633 menuju ke Kuala Lumpur. Saya nak jelaskan terbang kali anda, penerbangan ini akan mengambil masa selama 4 jam dan 43 minit. Bagi tujuan keselamatan, pastikan semua peralatan elektronik dipadamkan, tempat tidur ditinggalkan, tali keledar dipasang dan diketatkan menuju di hadapan berada di tempat angkau, dan teknis simpan penyimpanan di atas atau di bawah tempat duduk di hadapan anda. Anda diingatkan supaya berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas. Merokok dilarang dalam penerbangan, sementara itu nikmatilah penerbangan kami. Terima kasih. Coming close to the demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, we will now demonstrate the use of safety equipment carried in this aircraft. As the safety procedures on this aircraft may differ from other aircraft, we are simply attention to safety perfect. This is a seatbelt to fasten into the ventering key to the buckle and tighten the bar by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten the seatbelt, lift the metal flap. Should the cabin pressure become low and oxygen levels like this will appear from the compartment above you, immediately pull the mask towards you. Place the mask on nose and mouth with the headband tightly on head and breathe normally. You must place the mask on yourself before returning to those under your care. This is our jacket for the economy class. It is placed under your seat. For business class, it is underneath the center armrest. To use it, slip your head like this. Wrap the strap around the waist and fasten the buckle. Pull on the loosen tightly. Before leaving this aircraft, inflate your jacket fully by pulling the weight handle. To inflate further, blow into this tube. This light will automatically come on when the battery is immersed in water. Blow this whistle to attract attention. Please take note of the strips in an emergency evacuation. Follow these strips to the exit. Emergency exit are located on both sides of the aircraft. Please take note of the exit nearest to you. If an emergency evacuation becomes necessary, leave all your personal belongings behind and proceed to the exit nearest to you. For a quick and safe evacuation, follow the instruction of the crew. You will find a copy of this safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it carefully. Thank you for your attention.